I started my day off by getting my nails done. Normally I do gel, but this time I wanted something different, so I got my acrylics. This is the first time trying acrylics. I've been going to the same nail tech since 2019 or 2018? I think it's 2018. Yeah, so yeah, this is how my feet looks. They look nice. Normally I just get white on my feet and red on my fingernails, and this time I got French. Is it that whitish tip? I think it's French nails. Then I passed by Smart Lady Home. I had already ordered these pillow covers, so I passed by to pick them, and then I just checked around if I can get something else to purchase. I was looking for new pillow covers for my 50 by 50 centimeters pillowcases, and I've really had an eye on these lumber pillows, so I was checking if I can get pillow covers to match them.
There are melodies that emerge from my heart, songs of love, songs of hurt that make a beautiful art. But the songs I'll never write, I would keep me up at night, 'cause I'm afraid I left something unsaid.
I'm done now. I think I'm done with 50% things that I wanted to do in town. I had so many errands to do in town, a lot of errands. This is me in the lift. Now I'm heading to City Market.
Did I make sure I made you feel like nothing else mattered?
Then I passed by City Market to get my flowers. This is where I get my weekly florals. Hebu ngoja, uko umeniambia hizi ni ngapi?
Nini? 120.
120.
Zikiwa 20. Nikutafuta na tafuta. Hapana. Hapa tutaharibu.
Taharibu hiyo?
Hizi flowers zitamwagika nikipenya. Please wacha next.
I got baby bread and white roses. This is where I buy my flowers at City Market. Then I stopped by Kilimanjaro's. It's my first time. I didn't feel like making dinner tonight. I was so tired. I had so many errands to do in town. So I ordered a takeaway. And then I ordered dawa as I waited for my dinner to get ready.
In the world, but nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. But is it possible to let you know
Finally,
that
I'm back home. I'm going to start by arranging these flowers in the houses. Nowadays I dread just doing this. It takes a while, but it's satisfying.
another day to go by without you in the songs that I write? Everything has been used and worn out. Every note, every word, all go a similar route. But if I could summarize that pair of eyes in a sentence, I would never grow tired of the phrase. Did I make sure I made you feel like nothing else mattered in the world? Nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write? Every song is just a sequel to a melody that's already been sung. Ooh, even still my heart is so full of songs that were never.
So this is going in the living room and this is going in the bedroom. It's at night, so tomorrow I'll show you the pillows and the cover pillows that I got from Smart Lady Home.
Belong to anyone else. No.
This is what I ordered for dinner. Got and this. Oh God. So this is what I'll have for dinner.
Nothing that proceeds from these lips could be.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to another beautiful day. These my roses. They look so fresh, beautiful. Then this one's here. Yeah, this is how they look. So this is the things I got from Smart Lady Home. I'm going to show you. My bedroom is a mess. Today I'm expecting my duvets to be brought back. I took them for washing and I have to arrange all this. Yeah, it's just a mess. So I have to change the beddings and everything. Yeah.
Sufficient. Even if I managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write? Without you in the songs that I write.
Guys, it's my first time having fake nails and I'm really struggling. I really wonder how people make their beds with fake nails. Like I'm really struggling to even tuck in the sheets in the bed. It's so hard. I just blame peer pressure.
There are melodies that emerge from my heart. Songs of love, songs of hurt that make a beautiful art. But the songs I'll never write, I would keep me up at night. 'Cause I'm afraid I left something unsaid. Did I make sure I made you feel like nothing else mattered in the world? But nothing that proceeds from these lips could be sufficient. Even if I managed to say all I felt. But is it possible to let you know that I don't wanna know?
So these are 50 by 50 centimeter, and I got this 50 by 50 pillow cover.
To go by without you in the songs that I write. everything has been used and worn out. Every note, every word, all go a similar route. But if I could summarize that pair of eyes in a sentence, I would never grow tired of the phrase. Did I make sure I made you feel like nothing else mattered in the world? Nothing that proceeds from me.
This is how it looks. It's a knitted cover, and this was going for 800 shillings. It's in off-white, very beautiful.
Could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write?
And then I got this lumber pillow. It's a 35 by 60 centimeter. Yeah. Then I got this cover. This matches, this off-white part matches with those no.
Every song is just a sequel to a melody that's already been sung. Ooh. Even still, my heart is so full of songs that will never belong to anyone else. Nothing that...
So this is how it looks up close. It's in a mustard yellow. Very beautiful. Then I thrifted this straw blanket, so this will match.
Proceeds from these lips could be sufficient, even if I managed to say all I felt. So is it possible to let you know that I don't want another day to go by without you in the songs that I write? Without you in the songs that I write.
So this is how it looks. My duvet is not yet here. It will be here, I think, in 30 minutes. But yeah, so this one I'll put it on my duvet when it comes. This is the overall look. I was really afraid of getting this because I thought it was going to be so long, but actually it fits perfectly. Just fits so perfect. Don't mind the curtains. I'm still lazy. I haven't gone to Italy yet, but soon. I think it looks good. Yeah, I have this. I'm going to put it in the living room. Then I'll later arrange my laundry. Yeah, see you. So on my Acapulco chair, I only have this one cover, this one pillow cover. So I got another one, and the good thing about this one is that it's black, and then it has this natural color, and it's one like I use these two. I only have black and this natural in my living room. So I got a pillow with these two colors, and then it has this beautiful, I think it's a lady. It's a lady laying on his knees, something like that. Yeah.
Melodies that emerge from my heart. Songs of love, songs of hurt that make a beautiful art. But the songs on
Hi, this is how it looks. Very beautiful. You see, this one matches this accent, and this black just goes with the legs and my table. Yeah, and the legs on my couch also blacks, and this legs black, natural, black, natural, just matches. This side looks.
I would keep me up.
So guys, today I'm receiving my fridge. I bought it in last week, and they told me they're delivering it today in 3 hours. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I've had this small fridge for I think 2 years, and it was good. It served me well, but now it has to go because it's small. I need a bigger fridge. And guys, finally my fridge is here. It looks so good. I mean, I'm so excited. This is something I've been manifesting, and the fact that this kind of fridge was pricey, so I had to, to save up for it. And it looks so good. Like, it's so big. I'm happy, I'm grateful. And it came in black. I love black appliances. And one thing I've noticed that when you buy appliances, when you buy them in black, they tend to be a little bit higher, costly, compared to white or silver. So guys, I'm going to show you a little kitchen tour. So the first thing you see when you enter my kitchen is this big beautiful black fridge that I just received. I'm so obsessed. I love it. And on your left, that's where my sink is. I bought this small glass bowl. It's in amber, and it just matches with my two hand and soap dish. It looks so good. And then what else did I get? Yeah, and then I moved this water dispenser here. Yeah, I moved this water dispenser here because I don't have enough space, so it just stays there. And yeah, so on this counter, this microwave, it used to be on the previous smaller fridge that I had, so I moved it here, and I moved the toaster also here. And then these two cups, they used to be where the microwave is, so I moved them up here. I just arranged them here. I don't know why it's not focusing. Yes, I just arranged them here, and I think they look so good. And then I had a fundi open a socket here for me. So my microwave and my cooker, they just connect in here. And also for my toaster, I have the cord is so long, and also for my microwave, also the cord can reach here. So then I don't have to, you know, to move the microwave to my working space here. I just, you know, I just work from, I can just warm food from here, and also make my coffee from here. And for the toaster, can also, you know, there's more space, so I don't have to move them. For the toaster I do move it, but normally I don't have to move it now. And I'm so obsessed. My kitchen is giving what it's supposed to give. It looks so good. I'm obsessed. I mean, look how you can already tell that I love black appliances. They look nice in my opinion. I love black color compared to white. And my kitchen, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I'm obsessed. And guys, that will be it for today's vlog, and see you in my next vlog. Bye.
Songs of love, songs of hurt that make a beautiful art.